And this is an order for the holders, and this is for the bumpers. Here's all the information. Do whatever, not information. There's some stuff you don't need at all. Just the valve covers. These guys. Okay. These guys right here. This is not big deal. Standard focus with a couple of those. Right there, 18. Just to make it. Come on. There it goes. So it's give or take 444. So if you're getting confused, start in the middle with this one, and then go this one, then this one, then that one, this one, then this one, then this one, then the last one. And then you're going to do it again, but this time 32 feet. This one, then 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 this one, and that's it. And then you're going to do 120 degrees after that. And then that's where we're at right now. And then back to this one. I hate working with one hand. And back to the last one. Already had one, put this back on. Got these little guys on. Torque them down to 20. And plug the injectors in. I already cleaned up the valve cover. I just got to get that little silicone off there. And we'll be ready for the valve cover shortly. So then I already replaced the valve cover gasket. This is the new one. Clean it up with the rag. Screwdriver, getting all the cracks with the rag. Clean all that stuff up. Seat it back in place. This little spot right here and this one right here will line up with those. Get some of your gasket maker and just put a little smidge right there, not a lot. Right here, and same thing right there.